enchanting world of play with our 2-unit Royal Theme MAPS. Designed to ignite imaginations and foster endless adventures, this custom-built playground is every child's dream come true. Introducing our 2-unit Royal Theme MAPS, where magic meets play. Featuring a thrilling slide, a delightful swing, and a captivating loop run, this playground masterpiece is bursting with excitement at every turn. But what truly sets our Royal Theme MAPS apart is its enchanting theme, brought to life by charming FRP peacocks, muggos, honeybees, and parrots. Picture the laughter and joy as children slide down the slide, soar through the air on the swing, conquer the loop run, and interact with our charming FRP characters. With every moment, they're not just playing, they're discovering, learning, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. These whimsical creatures invite children to explore and engage in imaginative play, creating a magical atmosphere that will captivate young hearts and minds. So, whether they're sliding, swinging, climbing, or interacting with our delightful FRP characters, our 2-unit Royal Theme MAPS promises endless fun and unforgettable adventures for children and families alike.